The now CLI tool is deployed as an npm package, so the first thing we should do is install it globally. Once globally installed, we can use the now tool to log in. If you don't yet have an email that's associated with an account, you'll be given an error message. However, if you do have an email that is associated with an account, you'll be sent an email. That email will have a security code that matches the phrase in your terminal, and clicking the verify link will authenticate your command line. Once authenticated, we can use our now tool to initialize our NextJS application. And then if we run now, it will deploy that test application after asking us some questions. Set up and deploy, say yes. We've got two options, myself or my company. Do it with myself. It's not in project, it's a test project, and it's located here. We don't want to override those settings, so we'll just say no. We can now click on this link, and the application has been deployed. If we now open the application file index.js, we can update this to say welcome to today and save that file. If I want to deploy to the same target that I previously deployed to, I'll add the command line parameter --prod, which will overwrite the current deployed example. Refreshing the original URL will have our new information there. If instead we wanted to check a version of our site on now before we launch it to production, we could just run the command now without the --prod parameter. This hasn't changed our deployed environment, but has given us a new URL to test, and that has changed. If then we're happy with what we see, we can launch that version to production, and our initial URL has been updated.